Yesterday, I showed you how I was using material indicators FireCharts to validate setups. Today, I want to show you how I'm using it to mitigate risk. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Trading is risky. Do your own research. So as you can see, we had some MTF signals come in, a tier 1 and a tier 2, a few hours ago. One signal definitely stronger than the other, and depending on where you got into this one, you may or may not be in profit. So when I saw this signal come in, I took a look at the fire chart, and that time was right about here. You can see where it eroded, right? So price came into here, and right about in this range is where price came in. So I saw this beautiful support right here in the 16 down to about 16, right? And felt pretty confident. We had good support here, and at the time, not a lot of resistance. And if we could clear that 17 hurdle, we'd have a nice shot to some significant potential upside. And so I took the trade and watched it evolve, and it did start to erode away at some of the resistance, but then started to stall out a little bit, okay? And this is where you have to be careful, because signal could be good, but trades evolve and the order book evolves. And so you can see some significant heavy resistance popping up in here, right? So now that support that was here has gone away. Look, it's been pulled. And it's gotten thinner and thinner and thinner as price has come back down, and a new ladder of resistance has moved up overhead. Let's see what that looks like on the chart right now. All right, so trade came in. I actually initially took this position right here at about 16, about 0.0169, and started inching into profits. But when I saw this resistance coming overhead, felt like there just was not enough potential upside with the potential downside risk involved. So I killed the trade, saved some small profits. Most importantly, didn't lose any money. This is a great tool to mitigate risk. You see that trade is now starting to inch up just a little bit, 17.04, but I don't have any confidence in it going anywhere. Let's take a look back at the chart. Yeah, I'm very confident with my decision to get out of that trade. As you can see, we're actually still in development here and using these tools and testing them with live trades, and so far they're working beautifully. If you want to learn more about what we're doing at Material Indicators and get a hold of these indicators while they are free, join us on Telegram.